Noun series quiz. Abstract versus concrete noun. Instruction. Choose the best answer for each question. 10 points. 1. Which word is an abstract noun? A. Chair. D. Happiness. C. Apple. D. Table. The answer is B. Happiness. 2. Which word is a concrete noun? A. Freedom. D. Fear. C. Bottle. D. Love. The answer is C. Bottle. 3. Which noun names something you cannot touch? A. Book. B. Anger. C. Phone. D. Pen. The answer is B. Anger. 4. Which noun names something you can see and touch? A. Hope. B. Idea. C. Kindness. D. Car. The answer is D. Car. 5. Happiness is best described as A. Concrete noun. B. Abstract noun. C. Proper noun. D. Collective noun. The answer is B. Abstract noun. 6. Strength is A. Concrete noun. B. Abstract noun. C. Compound noun. D. Common noun. The answer is B. Abstract noun. 7. Which sentence contains an abstract noun? A. The door is open. B. She showed honesty. C. The dog ran fast. D. The bag is heavy. The answer is B. She showed honesty. 8. Which sentence contains a concrete noun? A. He has courage. B. They felt joy. C. She opened the window. D. We shared ideas. The answer is C. She opened the window. 9. Which word is an abstract noun? A. Chair. B. Sadness. C. Phone. D. Computer. The answer is B. Sadness. 10. Which sentence uses a concrete noun? A. He showed patience. B. She felt fear. C. They discussed ideas. D. The house is new. The answer is D. The house is new. Score 8 to 10. Excellent. Score 5 to 7. Keep practicing. Below 5. Watch again. Comment your score.